All right, so you can see the evaporator behind the heater core.
I can't get to the. Oh.
They're down below, sir.
I need a screwdriver.
Gotcha. Kent wants us to change all these vacuum lines out too, which would be fun. Man, that swamp cooler's loud. Come here.
Well, now, I thought that you had replaced the evaporator.
I pulled it out. We wrestled it out and wrestled it back in. I've thought about putting that other one in it, just in case.
Well, yeah, you might as well. Especially now.
Yeah. So let's take...
Do you suppose the evaporator is where the leak is?
Well, when we undid the fittings earlier, there was only just a little pressure in it, and everything else is fresh. I mean, the hoses are all fresh, the seals are fresh. And remember the problem we had with the condenser?
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be surprised.
Well, that was the fitting up there, wasn't
Yep.
it?
Right there. But look at this, because these butt up with the heater core. Look at that rut along the bottom in the box.
Now, is this...
We need to undo
This
these
is where the
screws.
condensation...
Correct.
And that's where they drip from?
Yes, it's supposed to drip out. Here. All right, Wes has the evaporator out. The heater core's over there. We'll look at that in a moment. You found some shit. Ugh. No, that's probably part of our problems. And our problems. And look at all this condensation. And I bet you it sits in condensation and starts freezing up too. Scuzzy. Oh. So Wes is gonna clean everything up nice, get it all beautiful, and then maybe well now that you have this out, you can actually reach in under the dash there and clean that out, so we don't have to pull it off the firewall, you know, the other side, the front side. You know what's in there still with the...
On the firewall side?
Yeah,
Got
just
it.
wipe it out. Yeah, let's just wipe it out and make sure that any drain tubes
They're all plugged up.
Yeah, they're not plugged. And then our shit will work. All right. Good job, sir. Wes makes this easier because now whenever people show up to ask me questions, work doesn't stop. Wesy Wes, what do we got?
Shit, man. These holes ain't lining up with each other.
That's cute. Yeah. I mean, the other one was sort of off, but this is really off.
Mm-hmm.
The tubes look good. Look pretty good, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I try not to fall. I've got the balance of a drunken toddler.
So a toddler.
Yes. Alright, yeah, and it only goes one way, so.
Yep. The shitty about it is this one.
It's our OEM one. Wow, look at that stud. How bent that was. That's why we couldn't get that out.
Yeah. Well, it also doesn't have this bottom plate. This one does. You see right there.
Oh. Shit, this might seal better.
I had to bend it back a little bit and still.
Oh, in the corner?
Yeah.
That's probably part of our alignment issue. Pull it out and let's... Is it hitting anywhere else? No?
No, just that one corner. No, it's hitting this corner a little bit.
Alright, let's pull it out and bend that just a hair. But Wes is on it. Is he sleeping on the job or is he actually working?
I am working.
I know, I'm giving you shit. Yeah, he's been cranking. He's got the evaporator core in the box. Everything nice and clean in the on the other side there.
Oh yeah.
The drains are clean and everything.
Yeah, the drains go.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
They don't even go inside this box. They're nice.
Good. They go pee outside.
Oh yeah.
Good dog. That was supposed to be funny and it wasn't. But it looks good. So Westy West is gonna put that baby on there. Get the nuts all tight. Then maybe give the heater core a little bath real quick.
Yeah, that thing's roasted.
Yeah. Give it a little bath and then that'll go on. So moving on.
Pitter patter.
I'm going back on to the Avanti. And I gotta go look at the Imperial.